some more, you guys. Ew, that looks good. How many are you making?
I said there were 30.
Kind of gloomy outside.
I can see it, the water.
We're Mexican, you guys. We have the water course. By the way, this is Manuel Turizo. Una lady como tú, he's my husband, but he doesn't know it yet. I got cheese on the front. Real good cheese. Anyways, this is get my skinny side. I turned 18. Still don't know how to drive, but we're working on it. But like I'm gonna graduate from college before I graduate from high school. Enseñar todas las sopas de demás. Crash right into it. Hello, ma'am. She didn't answer me that ass. I'm calling you butt face. Answer me. What? So you want
a chocolate cake, and on top it has Oreos and strawberries.
So you want a chocolate cake with Oreos
And strawberries.
and strawberries minus the jam.
With the jam, I like the jam.
But I don't like the jam.
Well, I do, and it's my birthday.
A square cake or a circle cake?
I don't know. Surprise me, bitch. Freak out. Tell her what to get. I know you're just there. Hey.
Well, you already know how it'll look like.
Nah, because I don't know if it's gonna be square or circle.
Oh my god. What if it's a rectangle?
And if it has space, tell them to put happy birthday, Alondra.
But happy birthday, bitch.
Now I'm gonna choke you through the phone.
Okay, holla back, girl. Custom name. Oh shit.
Oh my god.
She's getting ready for the party.
Get out of your bed.
Rejected.
What, Freddie? Come back.
Come back, best friend. What president? Oh shit, we've checked. Stop.
No, I have like all my pieces.
I thought you were gonna give like a beauty room tour. So this is the goal right here. Actually, no, this is her goal. But she might end up looking like this. Sadly.
No, don't record me.
But you can totally just be like,
I'm not gonna bother you.
it's just gonna be like, you know.
No, you're just. I'm gonna be caught off guard, and then you're gonna be like.
Voiceover.
No, I don't like your editing. You like do the.
I'm not gonna do that.
You're gonna throw shade.
I'm not gonna throw shade.
Whenever you see how I do my makeup, it's like a gross process, and I put a lot.
I thought you said you put very little.
Yeah, but like.
Or did you lie? Oh, wait, what I clicked? I got something.
I don't want that. I look the same. My skin is so gross. Conceal your food. I can sense you.
I was just checking if you were actually doing it. Make sure it's coming out on camera.
I'm noticing how ugly I am in pure sunlight. You need to wax me. I didn't notice there was so much hair underneath my brow bone until I was like,
I waxed myself yesterday. Can you tell?
fucking bitch, you didn't invite me. Look, I barely noticed. I was like, what the hell? There's that much hair.
I did it at work. freaking hard.
Next week, so
Anaí, that I can't see your face.
yes, they.
You're covering it with, look, you're covering it with the mirror.
Well, I need to see more than they do.
Angle yourself, honey. Let them know what you're using.
Friggin' drugstore, HEB.
Chanel, YSL.
My freaking colors. I'm gonna put on the thing. I'm just making myself freak out. We're just gonna cover my whole face in powder because I need it. You're done.
No, does it look white?
I can't see and you're blocking my lighting.
Look white. No. You can't even see that thing makes me look white.
Yeah, it looks bright.
Who
These are unwashed?
So far, this is the foundation.
Yeah. Wait, I have to try my powder. What am I doing? We'll fix it right now. Oh God, that's contour. Let me fix my nose. I look too orange. I'm gonna fix that. Too orange. Contour color. At least I know how to do something. It's the only thing I can afford. Should I do eyeshadow? Because I don't know what I'm gonna wear. I have chapped, gross lips, a pimple. Like straight. Cheap, old, probably expired shadow. Escape me. Find me. She'll watch this later. I don't know how to do eyeshadow, so it doesn't. She not pigmented. All I cut. Okay. I guess you can kind of see my shadow because I have full of lips. That was it. Bye. I went for like sunset on a gloomy day, even though I don't know what I'm gonna wear. I need lip tint. Oh.
Rude! That's definitely freaking rude.
That's a class.
Birthday makeup. Alondra G to get 20% off. Big face, she's on that thing. Like barely putting in. Because we just put on bronzer. A whole bunch of concealer. Highlighter. I don't like having that much. Where'd your pimples go? Shut up, they're like right there. You see, I have to use the darker ones, white. Because yours so golden brown. Just to get pigment. Appreciate my eyeshadow, appreciate it. I don't even know if it's blended enough. Is it blended? Like, I don't know. I try to do some shit. Oh, girl, that knows my lines. It's just like a little bit there. I remember the powder. That you gave me the day that I was instead of the Anastasia. But like that's like him. Here's where you get this shit. Setting the brows. Setting the brows. Ooh, don't spray on me. Oh, real quick. Brows are just here. How beautiful. You look like Frida Kahlo. I don't know. I'm horrible at eyebrows. Eyebrows. Cover girl. This is waterproof, but I'm like. Fire mascara. Shut up. This is it like no. Look. The bristle cramp me tiene, and then like my eyelashes se me hacen dos clumps. I don't even know how to focus it. Oh my god, you suck. First this one, look. This is way better. Oh yeah, you could totally tell. So I don't want to use the water just like right now, cause like so I'll take this shit out and I'll use this one and just like mix. You get me? So you do a ghetto concoction. It's Luis Coronel's birthday. And it's Cristiano Ronaldo's birthday too. For reals. And none of them told you happy birthday. You know, I mean, my friends are like busy, you know? My friends. What bitch, friends? What friends? Dude, so like Angie, she was like, oh, maybe we could go to Peter Pepper or somewhere where you have a and she forgot that her grandma's birthday was today.
Are you serious?
So she's like, oh wait, I'm not gonna be able to take you anywhere because we're spending the day with my grandma because it's her birthday. And she's like, LOL.
Allegedly.
Yeah, look at my eyelashes. I think I got some.
Yes, dark circles.
Shut up.
Come through.
My 5-year-old chef. Well, it's gonna go fast.
Yeah.
Alondra, really?
I didn't do it at home, okay? They couldn't do it at the store.
Wait, pasa. Sola. Alondra. Thank you. Happy birthday to me. Yay!
Damn, you're loud.
Wait, make a wish.